Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we'll show you how to edit picture in Word document in Phone so you can easily manage images right from your mobile device. Now let's get started. First, open your Word document on your phone. Make sure the file is loaded and ready for editing. Now tap on the location in the document where you want to insert the picture. This sets the spot for your image. Next, tap on the three dots in the menu, then tap the arrow beside the Home tab. From there, select Insert. Tap on Pictures from the options. This lets you choose how you want to add the image. Select Pictures again, then pick your image source, either from your phone's gallery or camera. After that, choose the photo and tap Add. To edit the picture, tap on it to select it. This will bring up the editing menu with formatting options. To change the size, tap and drag the handles on the corners or sides of the picture. This helps you make it larger or smaller. To move the image, just tap and drag it to the desired position in your document. Depending on your app version, you may also see options to add effects or picture styles. Try them out to enhance your image. Once you're happy with the changes, don't forget to save your document to keep everything updated. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more mobile editing tips.